For all your heating and cooling needs, you need endless energy.
Hello, my name is Eydin with Endless Energy. I am a service technician, and today we're here doing a maintenance on the LG heat pump system. And if you guys ever wonder on what we do on the maintenance, so part of the maintenance is basically we do a safety checkout on the outdoor system and also the indoor, just to make sure everything is properly operating, and also just to make sure that the homeowner is ready to go into the winter season without any issues. And we always recommend to do a maintenance on the system yearly, just to make sure everything is working fine, because you guys don't want your system to break down in the middle of the night when it's really cold outside, and sometimes it's really hard for us to get to every customer when it's like the weather is really bad. So today we're gonna work on this LG heat pump. I am gonna do a basically safety inspection and a safety checkup list on the outdoor unit, just to make sure everything is working. And if there's anything that needs to be done to the system, we're gonna bring it to the customer's attention, and then we're gonna move from there. Also, one thing that I wanted to mention on the heat pump system, if you guys see that your outdoor unit, the compressor is running and the fan it's not spinning, and you hear like a humming noise, most likely that the system is going into a defrost mode, because of temperature. Once it drops under 30 degrees, sometimes the coil starts to freeze up like this right now. You can see ice on it. So right now the system is gonna go into a defrost mode, and you guys are gonna see water dripping underneath the system, which that's normal, just in case anyone is wondering for the water to be dripping under the system itself. And now we're gonna do the maintenance on the inside unit on the LG brand. Also, just a reminder to any homeowner out there to change the filter frequently, because the more that the filters dirty, the more restriction that there's gonna be on the system itself, and you guys are gonna feel that the air flow is not gonna be that great because of the filter itself. And also, the more that the filter is dirty, your system is going to work harder to try to pull more air on it. Just a reminder out there.
For all your heating and cooling needs, you need endless energy.